Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
OPEC and its allies began 2 days of meetings that may culminate in further production cuts of as much as 1 million barrels per day, OPEC Plus sources said, as the group faces flagging oil prices and a looming supply glut. The rapid decline in energy costs should help to tame inflation in Europe, Bank of Italy Governor Ignazio Visco said, urging companies not to seek to boost their margins by leaving prices higher for longer. Goldman Sachs revised its Turkish lira forecast in the wake of President Tayyip Erdogan's cabinet revamp, saying it now expected the currency to weaken to 28 to the dollar in 12 months, compared with a previous prediction of 22.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT, Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT, the UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 2301 GMT. The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT, Germany's exports at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.